stopped in the middle of the road because ta-da! It's an adventurous trip, guys, and the struggle is real.
रोड पे रखो इधर इधर
So here's our Stepney under the dicky. आ गया. It has come. It has come.
आना और
Congratulations! Task 1 accomplished. Basically what happened was Mr. Aman was feeling pukish, so he wanted to puke out, and he said, could you please stop the car? And it is a very thin lane that we are traveling in, so Anwar Jan had to take the car onto the side, and while doing that, by mistake, we went into a khadda. So after that, we got the car outside, and we came little ahead, and then he got down, he puked out. And after his vomiting session was completed, that is when we realized that our tire got punctured by then. So thanks to Aman, we have some physical activity happening. So while we were trying to figure out and change the Stepney, Anwar Jan spoke to the people who stay here, and the entire family is gone inside so that they don't get to stand on the road while this is being changed, because this is a very new car, and first time it has got punctured. So it's kind of a task for us to do now. Okay guys, our tires all changed.
टायर ब्लास्ट हो गया चेंज.
Oh, the tire has been blasted because we got into the khadda. What is khadda in English, Anwar Jan?
खड्डा.
Huh? Okay, so it's almost done, just changing the Stepney. And also, if you're wondering where the others are from the family, so that's our car, Anwar Jan, Arbaz, and there's nobody standing right here because we have some awesome people here in Goa, so Anwar Jan spoke to this family staying here, and they were so sweet, and they saw us standing on the road, and they said, why not come home and sit while your tire is being changed. So the family is sitting here in the house, so I'll take you guys and get you introduce them to you guys, so you know there are such sweet souls in our India. India is incredible, right? So that's the home. Ta-da! So yes, the sweet family that I was talking about. Uncle, please come stand close to auntie.
Yeah.
So uncle, auntie and their daughter, Pallavi, yes, they've been so sweet, and they've welcomed us to their home with such a warm welcome, and they were extremely sweet that, you know, auntie also offered us some papaya and moong dal and all of that, and made us feel very, very comfortable. We were standing there outside under the sun, and they were so sweet, and they gave us some shelter for some time. So thank you so much for being so sweet. You guys are the best. I mean, people like you make India proud.
Yeah, you should say
Yes.
about the college.
Yes, and also uncle runs a college here. Vivekananda. Yeah, Vivekananda. Where exactly is it?
It is here in Bali.
Bali. It is in the Bali,
Goa.
and Bali, Goa. So everybody who's looking for their education, you can come and admit yourself in this college.
He was
because
assistant teacher first.
yeah, he was assistant teacher, and auntie also is working there.
Yeah.
Auntie
Now she is working for Kotak Mahindra.
Auntie is working for Kotak Mahindra.
She is looking after my daughter. Is
You are
looking
looking after the college?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You look so tiny. Okay, she is now taking care of the college. I feel so embarrassed now. We should be actually doing something like what Pallavi is doing. So proud of you, Pallavi, for being, for taking care of a college in this early age. Yes. So thank you so much. Thank you
We are
once
also
again.
we are also very much thankful to you for visiting our house and blessing our.
Thank you so much.
It was our pleasure serving
Pleasure
you
to
all
you.
actually.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So after changing our tire, we started heading towards our next destination.
Look at what she's doing in the car.
Eating.
24/7, only eating.
I also
Guys,
eat.
she was so hungry that she also started eating the.
What? Bananas.
Not only banana,
Ah.
you were also eating the skin.
Skin of banana.
Yeah.
I'm not Syed Anwar Khan. I'm Samira Sharif, so I don't eat the peel. Yes,
What is that? Your this thing?
this is kachra.
You'll have to buy a tire.
What happened, Anwar Jan?
After coming 10 kilometers, we didn't find a tire here also.
But why do we have to buy a tire? What happened to our tire? Didn't you get the puncture done?
The tire cannot be repaired. It got blasted.
Wow!
Blast. So they told us that the tire would be available here in this shop, but unfortunately, this guy, they said that they don't have a tire for this car. So I don't know what is going to happen. Let's see.
So now do you regret buying Innova?
No.
Because you're not finding a tire. Changing the tire was a task.
It's still my favorite car.
Our favorite car.
Hey, what's up? Yes, we have a guest. What's up, brother? Come here. What's up? How are you? Samira is shopping.
मागीर पळय मोठे जावं येता तेन्ना मागीर हय आदे 5 वाजता 5 सामके अशें सामके धवी जाता सामके
शाम में 5 बजे खुलता बोल रहा
5 बजे गजरा
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 गजरा लगा रहे चांदी
ले रहे फ्लावर.
अब इतना बात कर तो कितना
50
कट हो गया वो.
नेक्स्ट
एंट्री देना दिता आम्ही आता 50 रेट आणि 5ची मला 5 कान 2 शून्य आम्ही गणपती त्यांना देतात आता 50 रुपये देतात
मैं पकड़ता हूँ.
That's so sweet of you, Samira Sharif. You give her money with right hand only.
Of course I do. Wait. Right-handed only. Flower? पता नहीं कि आंटी जाओ बोले
मागे मला पैसे काढले काढले तुझ्या आधी देत बाजारा काढ तुझ्या आधी देऊ आपला म्हणा ते जरे गडबड गाडी फिरी झालं मग एक पुरा बाजारा
बस एक बस थैंक यू
थँक्यू तुमका आम्ही थँक्यू आता काय कारवार
टाटा सब्सक्राइब टू समीरा शरीफ बोलो सब्सक्राइब टू समीरा शरीफ बोलो
सब्सक्राइब
फुल
हाँ इधर बोलो
सब्सक्राइब समीरा बोलो she's telling ya don't subscribe but please subscribe okay good
बाय
बाय टाटा
Tata. So we are now in which state, Aman?
Don't know.
Huh? Don't know. We are in Karnataka.
Oh.
Can you show them that view? Guys, the person, firstly before I talk, a quick disclaimer, I might be looking extremely horrible because the person behind the camera is Amman. So you guys know how horribly he films. So yeah, the frame might be at its worst. So please ignore that. That is only because Amman is capturing the video. Otherwise, we are done with our lunch. And what did you eat, Amman? How many items?
2.
What all?
565.
That's all. You didn't have biryani.
No.
I also had 2 items. Fried rice and chicken 65.
Okay, bye. See you later.
Welcome.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. There's my coffee. Okay. Cheers. What is this?
Moscow bun. Wow.
Oh.
This is Aman Army.
Cheers.
What you doing, Samira?
Following up with my Big Boss episodes because now that we're traveling and I thought I can complete my episode, so that's what I'm doing. Do not disturb.
Bye. See you soon.
Tara posto. Good morning, Aman.
Morning, huh? Good
Good, good morning, Arnochan. Aman, इधर ठहरो. Yes. थोड़ा. हाँ.
Yeah.
So, how was your drive?
Everybody was sleeping.
I was sleeping.
I was all alone.
Sadly, so we've reached. Oh, by the way, guys, I was telling you all that we're starting from Goa and heading somewhere else. Chalo. And we have reached Mysore. No. Where are we? Mangaluru. Okay, I'll just be back in some time. Okay, guys, so we traveled from Goa to Mangaluru. So we are staying at this hotel called the Gateway Hotel, Old Port Road, Mangaluru, and it's an amazing place, very close to the sea, and we're staying here for a night. So yeah, we had an amazing journey, as you guys have seen. It was a very adventurous journey. Aman puked only once, then our vehicle got punctured, and then what else happened? Then we met that beautiful family, uncle and auntie, and then what did we do? We had coffee, we had samosas, and then something else we did. What did we do? And we drove very long. We slept, and also guys, in between we stopped for dinner, which I did not record. And post our dinner we reached Mangaluru, and sharp 11:30 we entered the hotel. And sharp 11:30 we entered the hotel and checked in, and by the time we could settle everything, it's like it's close to 12. Yes, I think you got the time. It's close to 12. And that's about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and stay tuned to know where we are going tomorrow. And until I'll see you next, lots of love.